This AI influencer doesn't exist. Neither does this one, or this one. But they're making real money, and I'm going to show you exactly how to build one that doesn't look fake. Here's the issue. Most AI influencers fail because the face changes every post, the eyes shift, the jawline morphs, your audience notices, and they leave. If your character doesn't stay locked, the entire strategy collapses. So today, you're getting the exact system. Step 1. Generate a base character that looks professionally shot. Step 2. Lock consistency across angles. Step 3. Animate into video clips that feel real. Let's build this start to finish. First, you need one hero image, the anchor for everything else. I'm using a tool called OpenArt for this because it keeps image generation, video animation, and character generation all in one place, without 5 different subscriptions. The model you want is Juggernaut XL. It's built for photorealistic influencer-style shots. Not cartoon, not overly glossy. Here's the prompt structure. Athletic brunette woman, minimal jewelry, linen blazer, golden hour lighting, editorial portrait style, full body shot, sharp focus, natural skin texture, soft shadows, plain beige studio background. 3 things matter here. Full body shot gives you flexibility for cropping later. Plain studio background prevents the AI from locking onto props or walls. Natural skin texture avoids that plastic Instagram filter look. Generate 4 variations so you have options. These came back clean. I'm picking this one. Strong eye contact, natural posture, no weird hand artifacts. This is your anchor. Now here's where most people skip ahead and wonder why their influencer looks different in every post. You need to teach the AI what your character looks like from multiple perspectives, not just one frozen headshot. Switch to the Nano Banana Pro model. It's better for controlled variations. Make sure to adjust the settings to 9:16 and 2K resolution. Upload your anchor image as a reference, then write, same woman, turned 45 degrees to the right, same lighting, same outfit. Perfect. Now do it again. Same woman, looking over her shoulder, slight smile. And one more. Same woman, profile view, hair tucked behind ear. Now you have 4 angles of the exact same person. Go to the character section and click Start with 4+ images. Upload all 4. Name your character. I'm calling mine Zara. Once it's done, your character is locked. Every image you generate from now on will use this face, no matter the prompt. This is the step that separates real AI influencers from the ones that look like a different person every week. Now let's put her in real scenarios. Zara sitting on a rooftop terrace at sunset, holding a glass of wine, city skyline blurred in the background, warm golden light, candid influencer shot, 2 settings to adjust. Generation mode to quality, keeps the image quality high. Model, Nano Banana Pro, to keep everything realistic. You can play around with resolution to see what works best for you. For me, 2K is enough. These look great. Same face, same vibe, totally different context. Let's try something active. Zara jogging through a park trail, wearing a black sports bra and leggings, ponytail swinging, morning sunlight through trees, motion blur on background. Perfect. Now one more. Seasonal content. Zara in a cozy knit sweater, holding a pumpkin spice latte, autumn leaves falling, soft afternoon light, lifestyle blogger aesthetic. Same person. 3 completely different posts. This is how you build a content library fast. Now let's turn these into short-form video clips. For realism, I'm using Kling 2.6 here. It handles facial micro-movements better than most models. No dead eye stare. You can also use Veo 3, but I noticed that 90% of my prompts don't get generated and result in an error because of Veo 3 limitations and restrictions. Plus, Kling will cost you less credits, so it's a win-win situation. Upload your rooftop shot, then write a motion prompt. A woman holding a wine glass. Subtle hand movement as the glass slightly tilts. Light wind gently moves her hair. Static camera. Soft sunset lighting. Background remains still. The more specific you are about movement, the better the result. Don't just say, animate this. Describe the action like you're directing a scene. Keep the duration at 4 seconds. And audio on to get that organic feel. Kling is faster than Veo 3 as well, so you will generate this pretty quick. Look at that. The face stays locked. The motion feels natural. No warping, no glitching. Let's animate the jogging shot. She jogs steadily forward, ponytail bouncing with each step. Her breathing is visible. Chest rises and falls naturally. Trees blur past in the background. She glances at the camera briefly, then refocuses ahead. This is where most tools break. Fast motion, hair physics, background blur. But because we locked the character first, the face stays consistent even during movement. One more. She brings the latte to her lips, blows gently on the steam, then takes a sip. A leaf falls slowly past her shoulder. She looks up and smiles as if noticing the camera. That's a story-ready clip. No editing needed. Quick answers to the top questions. Can I use this for Instagram Reels? Yes. Export at 1080x 11920, vertical. Keep clips under 7 seconds and batch generate 10 to 15 at a time so you're posting daily without re-rendering. What if the face still shifts between videos? You didn't train enough angles. Go back to step 2 and add at least 4 reference images: front, side, back, and a close-up. The AI needs spatial data. Do I need to write a backstory for my influencer? Not at first. Start with 20 posts in one niche: fitness, travel, lifestyle. Then let the audience tell you what they want more of. The character's personality comes from consistency and engagement, not a fake bio. Here's how to scale this. Write 10 scenario prompts in a doc. Generate all 10 images in one session. Then animate 5 per day. You'll have 30 plus pieces of content in a week. This is how the accounts making 10K plus per month operate. They batch, they schedule, they stay consistent. Once you have 50 plus posts and 10K plus followers, here's how you monetize. Brand deals, fitness brands, skincare, travel apps. They don't care if your influencer is AI as long as engagement is real. Affiliate links, Amazon storefront, LTK, workout programs. Your influencer recommends products in captions. Digital products, sell presets, guides, or even access to your AI influencer workflow as a course. Just know the rules. Some platforms require AI disclosure. Some audiences don't care. Test and adjust. Here's what you just learned. Generate a base character with Juggernaut XL. Lock consistency by training 4+ angle variations. Create scenario images with locked character weight. Animate into video clips with specific motion prompts. Batch your workflow to post daily. This is how you build an AI influencer that doesn't look fake. If you want to follow the exact setup I used, image generation, character locking, video animation all in one place, I've got a link to OpenArt in the description. It's the fastest way to do this without switching between tools. Now go build yours. I'll see you in the next one.